Captiva Design just sent me this barbecue for my review, and I just finished putting it together. It took me about an hour because it is, you want to take your time with these type of things, but it is extremely easy to put together. And as you can see, it is gorgeous. It is a 3-burner, and I'll open it up in just a sec because it is on right now. What I love is the fact that I am hiding that bottle right over here. That bottle is hidden. No worries whatsoever. The other thing that I loved is I didn't have to worry about the hookups as far as the propane wiring and all of the triggering system, like with the burners. All of that was already all hooked up. The only thing that I had to hook up was the side burner, and we'll get to that. So look at this beauty. It is super nice. We've got a really nice temperature gauge right here, sort of thermometer. We're at 500 degrees and I literally just turned it on a few minutes ago. And look how beautiful this is. So really right off the bat, you could tell, you could see the difference with other conventional barbecues. This one here has a side griddle. I can imagine myself making, you could literally have the steak going back and forth, different type of griddle. You could even put some eggs in here, some potatoes, whatever you want, some, grilled vegetables, that would be fantastic. The top part, I love the top part that it's not a grill, but kind of a mesh system like this, so nothing will fall down on top of the rest of your meat or whatever you're cooking underneath. So that's a really nice thing. The burners are really, really nice. So you've got 3 burners right here, as you can see, and the 4th one is underneath the griddle right there. So that's why you've got so many different gauges like this. And then you do have an extra little side burner right here that is controllable with this gauge right here. And that's really nice if you were going to, cook anything that will require kind of a stove top cooking. Definitely use that side burner. And you do have that side kind of like little portion here that kind of, on both sides. You could use both sides to actually put things. If you're not using the side burner, I can actually put my utensils and things like that on the side. So let's put some, let's put it to the test. We're gonna actually, right there, like I'm not even using anything else. I'm just gonna, oh yeah. Just gonna put some ribs on there and close it up. And I'm telling you, this is going to be, it is burning up so quickly. It is super, it looks great, by the way. What I also love is that because the bottle is in here, I can wheel it around. Obviously, it is on. I don't want to wheel it too far, and which is why you would use that locking mechanism, those brakes on those wheels. But it is on wheels, so it's very easy to kind of like bring out to a party, bring out to, wherever you want to do the cook, and then put it back where it belongs when you're done. But yeah, this is a really nice unit. It took me about, like I said, a little over an hour to put together, but it was very, very simple. Instructions were very, very clear, and the thing came packaged incredibly well protected, very well protected actually. I even had some metal shingles around it to protect the whole entire unit, which I had to take out. But yeah, very, very impressed with this, and it looks fabulous.